Our integrated building access system combines intercom and control panels with various call modes available. When visitors call from outside, you can have video intercom and unlock the door remotely indoors. You can check the camera feed anytime and keep an eye on the outdoor area in real time. Multiple control panels support point-to-point calls for easy communication between different rooms. The system works on local networks stably. All features still work even without internet. It delivers reliable performance 24 hours a day. Choose our reliable all-in-one solution and contact us for details.